Wow! Come live the Florida lifestyle in this maintenance-free Brentwood home. Enjoy all the beauty and tranquility of this neighborhood in your 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2-car garage single-family villa. The home has an open floor plan and skylights, giving you lots of natural light throughout the spaces. The kitchen comes complete with Whirlpool stainless steel appliances and breakfast bar. The generously sized living room overlooks the lanai, where you can sit and relax with your favorite morning beverage. But that's not all. You will also enjoy some more fresh air on a screened porch located off the dining room, allowing you to grill your favorite meals outdoors. The master ensuite has an oversized walk-in shower, sliders that give you access to the lanai and a walk-in closet. Roof 2020. AC 2018. Brentwood is a gated golf course community with a social membership to Citrus Hills where you will want to have a staycation all year long with 4 fitness centers, 150 square feet, Bella Vita full-service Mediterranean-style spa, 3 luxury pools, 4 golf courses, 3 18-hole and 1 9-hole, lighted tennis courts. 8 of those soft hard true with covered observation deck, 1.5 walking trail, dog walk, basketball courts, 4 bocce ball courts, white sand volleyball, waterfront picnic tables, 8 pickleball courts, 2 fine dining restaurants, 1 restaurant and grill, 1 tiki bar, 300-seat auditorium and tons of social clubs. Come and start enjoying your resort-style living. Call today to schedule your appointment to view this home.